Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is x to the power 8 minus x to the power 4 over x to the power 4 minus x square is equal to 20. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of x from this algebraic equation. So student, our given equation is x to the power 8 minus x to the power 4 over x to the power 4 minus x square is equal to 20. So student, to find the value of x, so we have to write on the left hand side of this equation. So student, in the place of numerator we have to write in here x to the power, so in the place of 8 we have to write in here 4 into 2, okay, 4 into 2 minus, so in the place of this 4 we have to write in here 2 into 2, okay student, over, so in the place of denominator again we have to write x to the power 4 minus x square is equal to 20, okay student. So student, after that we have to apply this formula, okay, so this formula we have to apply in the place of numerator. So if you apply this formula, so in the place of numerator we have to write in here x to the power 4 whole to the power 2 minus x square whole to the power 2 over, again we have to write x to the power 4 minus x square in the place of denominator. On the right hand side again we have to write 20, okay student. So my dear student, after that we have to apply this formula, a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. If you apply this formula on the place of numerator, so we have to write in here x to the power 4 plus x to the power 2 into, again we have to write x to the power 4 minus x square over x to the power 4 minus x square we have to write again on the place of denominator, and on the right hand side we have to write 20. So student, from numerator and denominator we have to cancel x to the power 4 minus x square, okay student. So on the left hand side we have to write in here x to the power 4 plus x square is equal to 20. So student, so this equation we have to convert in the form of quadratic equation. So we have to write in the place of x to the power 4 x square whole to the power 2, okay, plus again we have to write x square, and we have to transpose 20 from right side to left side. So we have to write in here minus 20, and on the right hand side we have to write in here 0. So student, we have to put the place of x square equal to a. So let x square is equal to a, okay student. So if you convert this equation in the terms of a, so you have to write in here a square plus a minus 20 is equal to 0, okay student. So we have to factorize this equation, okay. So first of all we have to multiply the coefficient of a square. The coefficient of a square is 1 and constant term is there is 20. So you have to, first of all you have to multiply 1 into 20. That means again, so if you multiply 20 into 1 then we get 20, and after that we have to do LCM. 2 10 jar 20, 2 5 jar 10. So student, the coefficient of a is, there is no number, so we have to take 1 is here, okay. So my dear student, so you have to write on the left hand side a square plus, in the place of 1 we have to put 5 minus 2 to the 4, and if you subtract 5 minus 4 then you get 1, okay. In the place of 1 we have to write 5 minus 4. In the place of 1 we have to write 5 minus 4. So here we have to write 5 minus 4. Again bracket we have to write bracket, and after bracket we have to write a minus 20 is equal to 0. So student, again we have to write a square plus, if you multiply 5 with a then you get 5a, plus minus minus 4 into a 4a. Okay student, minus 20 is equal to 0. So student, we have to take common. So from these two terms we have to take common a. So if you take common a, so inside the bracket you have to write a plus 5, and in two terms we have to common 4. Okay, so if you take common 4, then we have to write inside this bracket a plus 5 is equal to 0. So student, in two terms a plus 5 is available, so we have to take common a plus 5 from two terms. Then we have to write inside this bracket a minus 4 is equal to 0. So student, find the value of a, so we have to apply the zero product rule. So we have to write in here a plus 5 is equal to 0 and a minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so student, in this equation the value of a will be minus 5, and from this equation the value of a will be 4. Okay, but we have to find the value of x. So again we have to put the value of a. So again we have to put in the place of a x square. So in the place of a we have to write in here x square. Okay student, is equal to minus 5. So student, then the value of x will be, if you transpose the power from left side to right side, so student, the value of x will be root over of minus 5, that plus minus root over of minus 5. Okay student, so this is the imaginary value, and from this equation again we have to write x square is equal to 4. So student, x square is equal to, so transpose the power from left side to right side, then the value of x will be root over of 4, that means plus minus 2. So student, so it is clear that the value of this equation will be two imaginary solution, imaginary roots, and two real solution, two imaginary roots and two real roots. So this from this equation the value of x will be plus minus root over of minus 5 and plus minus 2. Okay, so the value of x will be plus minus root over of minus 5 and plus minus 2. That means this equation has 4 roots. Okay, 2 real roots and 2 imaginary roots. So my dear student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.